Hello guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete or watch video history on Facebook. Right, so a lot of people don't know how to do this, how to check all the videos they have watched, like the history on Facebook. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first step is to